Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the February Whiff Box. I'm so excited to dig in, but before we do that, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. And don't forget to subscribe your email to my Wickless weekly newsletter, and I guess that's it. So let's just go ahead and dive on in. So if you don't know what a Scentsy Whiff Box is, this is a special box that Scentsy actually creates every single month. And every month we have a new theme with a new arrangement of products and fragrances and exclusives inside. And it's only a $35 box. I can literally smell something that's in this box from here. And every month the Whiff Box has an exclusive item, meaning something that you cannot purchase on the website, something you cannot purchase from a consultant website, or through Scentsy Club, like an item that you can only get in the Whiff Box. And if you like to save even more money, please stay tuned for the end of this video because I'm going to actually create you a Scentsy Club starter order that qualifies you to get a Whiff Box half price for only $17.50. So, I've already seen a sneak peek of what's in this Whiff Box, so it's not too much of a surprise, but I have not opened mine yet, and I have not smelled one of the things inside yet. So, here is the February Whiff Box, and the very special item that is in this box is a box of dryer sheets. So, mine came a little beat up. I have a lot to say about this product. We actually launched these earlier than planned. We launched them on February 1st and only in Clothesline. So this is the first type of dryer sheet we've ever had. They had let us know that it was coming, but then they said that it was going to be later in the year. So they decided to release Clothesline on February 1st. They sold out super fast, like before the day was even over. But you can still get these if you purchase a February Whiff Box, as long as the Whiff Box is still available. So this was like a trial run, like a tester launch for these products. I think that it has been a successful launch, but I hope they learn from the paperboard packaging that being thrown around and stuff during shipment is not going to be easy on these boxes. So that is the only thing that I want to note, but I do feel like it's the same material as the box of dryer sheets that we usually use. We use the Bounce ones that have, is it Bounce or Bounce? Bounce? I don't know. It's the ones for dog hair, and I feel like it's the same feel, but these obviously just did not survive the hit. But these are the Clothesline dryer sheets. This is the first time we've ever launched a box of dryer sheets. These originally by themselves is an $11 box, and you get 80 sheets. We're going to open her up. I'm going to open her up. I have not tested these out yet because I wanted to wait until I got this video done. I don't really know how else to explain a dryer sheet other than the fact that it's a dryer sheet. And it smells like Clothesline, and it is stout. So I cannot wait to test these with our laundry, and hopefully we won't have to wait too long for more scents to come out. But if you want to test these early, definitely try to grab the Whiff Box as soon as possible because the Whiff Box is technically only while supplies last in February. Oh, I forgot to read the pamphlet, people. Okay, so here's the pamphlet for the Whiff Box. It says love your laundry, and obviously it has the little design, the little Clothesline design on it, and it says clean clothes are loads more fun with Scentsy fragrance. We've selected fresh breezy scents and a brand new product for your February Whiff Box. Give your laundry a fragrant boost with Scentsy dryer sheets. Share your unboxing moment on Instagram and Facebook, hashtag Scentsy Whiff Box. So there's a little pamphlet. And up next in the box, we have a scent circle in Clean Breeze. So going with that very clean spring cleaning vibe. Very nice scent. We also get washer whiffs, which I'm excited for because I'm completely out of washer whiffs. So not only do we have dryer sheets, but we have whiffs. And this comes in Lavender Cotton, which is actually a current laundry scent. It's a very nice laundry scent. I definitely prefer it more in the laundry than I do like as wax or anything, just because I don't know, it's just not usually like a clean wax person. But I do like the Whiffs, and I'm out, so I'm very happy to have some more of this. We also get another exclusive in this box. So this is a Scentsy Fresh in Wildflower Cotton. Pop quiz, let me know down in the comments, when did Wildflower Cotton Wax release? But it is coming in the laundry line in the brand new spring and summer catalog, and the laundry line includes Scentsy Fresh. So I am very happy to have this. Again, it wasn't my favorite wax because I just typically don't lean towards those types of like florally fresh, clean scents. But laundry, I think it's going to be phenomenal, and I'm excited to have this in Scentsy Fresh. Again, this is an exclusive. The only way you can get this in February is through the Whiff Box. Next, we also have a full Scentsy bar of the March scent of the month. This is Cotton Candy Tails, another exclusive. The only way to get your hands on a full bar of this in February without getting a consultant kit. Those are only available through the 15th, from the 15th to the 28th, would be in the Whiff Box. So this is the, I know this is a bakery scent. Oh, this is good. This reminds me of a strawberry pound cake. It's Cotton Candy Tails. It reminds me of a strawberry pound cake, but not too much like a bakery. Like it's a little bit more lighter, a little bit sweeter, more candy-like. I guess like more cotton candy-like. I feel like if you like scents like sugar and pink haze, you're gonna like this. Very nice, very, very nice. I feel like it's definitely a fruity bakery scent, and can't wait to warm this. So this is the March scent of the month. And then the last thing in the Whiff Box, we actually get a room spray. And not only a room spray, but we get a room spray in the brand new formula. So I've had a chip on my shoulder whenever it comes to the room sprays. I never purchased them. I never use them because in this house, we only have hardwood floors. Like we don't have any carpeted areas. And yeah, we have rugs, a couple of rugs, but that's it. But the oil formulation or formula or oil base or whatever, like it just, I know a lot of people love the room sprays. I was never a huge fan of the room sprays because it just left a slick residue on the floor. Like it just left a residue period that I didn't like spraying because I didn't want it to be on the floor. We have reformulated the room spray and they have a water base. I'm excited. This is in Magnolia linen. They also got an upgraded label, which I think is really pretty. Definitely needed for the moment. And I've heard good things about this so far. This is Magnolia linen. It is coming back in the catalog for spring and summer. Oh, that mist. That mist is nice. I want you to see, but I can't spray my camera. Can you see that? I don't know. Very nice, very potent, like the room sprays are. My only problem with them is just that they get on the floor. And I am happy to say that there's nothing on the floor. In either spots that I sprayed, there's absolutely nothing on the floor. This is good. Why did it take us so long to do that? There's nothing on the floor. I'm amazed. This is a very nice clean scent. It's definitely, the mist is finer, like the Scentsy Fresh or the Counter Clean would be. The room sprays, the older room sprays, like you could definitely tell the oil base made this, like the mist a little thicker. And then a lot of the times it would get clogged up to where it only want to spray like a straight line of it, you know, where it was like all clogged and went like mist. But so far so good. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to try it out in the house and let you know the rest of my thoughts. If you personally don't have a problem with our current room sprays, all of them are on sale in February. So instead of them being $8, they are $7.20. And then also the bundle and save deals are an additional 10% off. So my advice would be, if you are not bothered by the current room spray formula, go stock up on your favorites while they're on sale and while they are at that price point, because I do know in the brand new catalog, room sprays are going up to $9 instead of $8. So go ahead and like try to grab as many as possible of your favorites if you don't mind the oil-based room sprays that we have while they're on sale and while they're at an extra discount before they go up in price. I still smell it. Very, very nice. Very nice. I'm very happy. Okay, so that is the February Whiff. That is the February Whiff Box. I always like to add up the final total to see if like the value of what's inside this box versus the price that you pay. Dryer sheets are $11, and I'm also doing full retail. I'm not going to include the February sale. The Scentsy Bar will be $6. The Scent Circle would be $3. Scentsy Fresh is $12. The Whiffs are $12. And the room spray, this is a new formula, so it's going to be $9. So $53 in retail value before the February sales or anything. That is a big discount. That is $18 off. That is like getting the Scentsy Fresh spray and the Scentsy Bar absolutely for free. So say you get it for only $17.50 through Scentsy Club. You're saving $35.50. And then if you're doing this through Scentsy Club, you're also going to get 10% off the rest of your order. If you need a full like detailed video about Scentsy Club and the perks of it and if it's right for you, here is my video right up here. But for the sake of this video, I've actually created you a Scentsy Club starter cart of some of my favorite fall and winter scents that are relieving, really, Angie? That are leaving, because if you add the fall and winter scents that are leaving as waxes to your Scentsy Club in February, starting March 1st, as long as you still have them there, like you've already saved them, like you keep them in your club account, starting March 1st, they're going to get a special icon, and this means that they are locked in under the Always Get My Bar benefit perk, and they're going to stay in your club until next fall and winter. As long as you don't remove them, they're going to stay in your Scentsy Club. Scentsy Club is no additional fees. There's no cancellation fees. There's no like monthly subscription fees. It is just creating your own Scentsy Club subscriptions that you can edit as you go. And it has the huge perk of the 10% off your entire order, the half price credit that you can use on the Whiff Box, and that Always Get My Bar lock-in benefit Scentsy Club perk. So in this club starter cart that I've created for you, I added some of my favorite fall and winter scents that I think that you need to add to your club to lock them in, like an insurance policy just in case they don't return next fall and winter. I also added a counter clean, and I added a car bar, and I cannot remember what else I added, but just to get you in the spring cleaning mood. So all you do is click that link down below in the description box, and it will automatically take you to my website, and it will add all the items that I added in your Scentsy Club cart. From there, you can remove things that you don't want, or you can add things if you want additional items, but just make sure that that subtotal at the very end is at least $60. Because whenever you continue, you're gonna either log into your account or you're gonna create a free account on my website, and then once you continue from there, you're going to be able to choose your subscription details, and you're also going to have a blue button that says choose half price item, and from there you can add a Whiff Box half price for only $17.50. So in all, you're going to get this entire order 10% off plus the half price Whiff Box, and then when you go from there, from the shipping and the payment options and process it, that's whenever your first Scentsy Club order has been processed, and then after it has done that, you can go in and edit it. If you want to do this a monthly, bi-monthly, however, whatever schedule that you set, if you keep that Whiff Box in there as the half price credit, or if you just have a full price Whiff Box in your club, it will be the month's whiff box of whatever month your future clubs process. So say you have that Scentsy Club order processing again in April, it would be the April whiff box. And of course, if you need help doing this with the Scentsy Club stuff, please just reach out to me on socials and I can help walk you through it step by step. But that's it. I love this. It's so clean. I'm so happy with this. And I cannot wait to keep testing it out more. Can't wait to get Brandon's opinion on it. There's nothing on my floors, and that is a win for me. But I would love to hear your comments down below and let me know, what do you think is going to be in the March whiff box? The March month is our first month of the spring and summer catalog. I said that so weird. And we have a lot of exciting things coming up. But that is it. As always, don't watch me, join me, and I will see you in the next one.